Hi guys, Sullivan Owen here in Philadelphia. I went out and grabbed a few living things out of the snow. We'll see how the hellebores do. I know I promised a hellebore hunt, but it would be digging through the snow and my hands were freezing when I was out there trying to cut these. So there are lots more coming. The number one key to making arrangements in the early part of the season when everything is short is having vases that are not too tall. This is not going to work in a vase that's this tall. So yes, I made this one too, but you want to look for 3 to 4 inch tall vases for this time of the year because you're not getting a lot of height out of early spring flowers.
Hey guys, Editing Sullivan here. So one of the main issues with making live demo arrangements is when something goes wrong, you don't really get to do it over. The flowers are cut and arranged, and there's major issues with the audio. I'm wearing one of my favorite sweatshirts, but it tends to muffle the microphone or cause, because it's got metal grommets, causes like crazy feedback. I just have to remember, I can't wear a sweatshirt with that microphone. I can't do it again. The hellebores are already short. They can't get much shorter.
And I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks.